January 3rd, 2024, CN Hayes here, 2130, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again, this time near the north end of Ladysmith Yard, where we're going to have the roll-by of the S772 51 of the 27th on the way, with a couple of Jivas to do the honors, as it's going to go on to the Barron Sub main. Check them out on a slow roll as we'll head on to the Barron Sub main as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Looks like a C6M rebuild. And another. Alright. Let's go check them out on another angle. Alright, set up alongside the Barron Sub main now. Check them out on the westbound move as it exits the Superior Sub main. I'm sure they're both a pair of C6M rebuilds, but we're going to officially confirm that right now. As they're coming around, as we lean back and get them. Here we go. The new 3369, along for the ride is the 3283. We're Tier 4. Why not? S772 51 of the 28th started at Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada. This is going to head inbound to Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser. We have a few that might go to the Poskin plant. Authority on the Barron Sub main from milepost 126 to milepost 110. 3369 again is one of the 60 GECX nee-BNSF variants. Here's the last of 772F First Union Rail 808-538, and the train device is Strobed. And that is going to do it for the S772 51 of the 28th. We'll do it for the new CN 3369 and the Tier 4 of the 3283. We'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great night. I'll see you next time. I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and Hayes out.